So, you got your roots in. Now we need to talk about a hot pass, the next layer, okay? So the idea of a hot pass is to go back over, tie everything in. You want to get it hot enough to make sure it all ties in, but you don't want to get it hot enough that you suck it back. You know what that means? If you suck it back, that means you suck the root back from the inside out. If you get it too hot, it'll pull it back out. You don't want that. So you want to get just hot enough to tie everything in. Usually whatever I root at, I'll go up 10 to 15 amps for my hot pass. Some guys will tell you to get crazy with it, go up 30 amps. 10 to 15 amps, take it nice and easy. Make sure everything ties in. So, what we're going to do is we're going to fire up. Once I fire up, obviously I'm going to build a puddle just like I always do. Don't get real wide. Keep that thing nice and tight. Just a little bit wider than your bead there, okay? Here we go. Bring it all the way around just like that, okay?